Welcome to the future of palletizing. The key component of this solution is the celluveyor cv.PAL, a high-performance layer former used in a palletizing process. It handles cardboard boxes and arranging them into precise pallet layers. The completed layers are transferred to a robotic arm which stacks them on pallets. The system uses a top-mounted 3D vision camera. This enables accurate object detection, tracking, and alignment. The result? Reliable layer forming, even if the contents inside the boxes shift. Compared to traditional palletizers, the cv.PAL offers several advantages: low noise, 100% electric drive, minimal footprint and energy use, fast pattern changes with no mechanical adjustments, a gentle mode for fragile goods, and easy remote support. All of this with low maintenance, thanks to its modular, flexible, and intelligent design.